shut. No, don't say that. Okay. Don't do anything.
Start
Jinx
that
it. I don't
shit.
want to. It's just gonna happen. Riding around in my Rovers.
What?
The ops come calling them. Riding around in the Rovers. The ops come calling them. I kill them. Ah, look at that. That's perfect. Oh, I need a. No, ill. No, show my arms. Thank you.
I don't
I'm
see what's
proud
going
to
on.
be an American.
I'm still launching start. Oh, there we go.
Yay! Hey guys, how you doing? I'm happy to be here. Yes, let's go. We'll paper bag. We're paper bag men. Yeah.
Yeah.
We all have colored eyes, and it's just Josh over there that has. It looks like his fucking soul's been taken.
Right there. Like my
Yeah,
mask.
hands down, I have the best mask here. What are you talking about? I look so scary.
Felix
I
has the
do.
best mask.
I look scary.
If you would take off the mask, you would look scary.
Oh yeah. Prince Philip the Third. Or the second.
It'd be the second, because Prince Philip is Prince Philip.
Look at me and my Tims.
Fucking hell! Don't look at me like that. Big ass forehead.
This man bring a BMX bike. That's okay.
Go right with Josh.
Okay, so we're going to the charges.
In a car.
Bridge, and I'll come back with the POA.
Surprisingly, he's gonna get there pretty fast. It's faster than you actually think.
Josh, yeah, I know.
The bike is actually fast in this game for some reason.
I just don't know how to ride it for some reason. Which is convenient since I know how to ride everything else.
So, you're gonna run what's known in the biz as a hijacking because you're
You think he's gonna get there before you case him?
No.
Oh, I was just hopping off to get something.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
You can station people at vantage points, block the road, and wait for them to roll into the trap. You can try to take out all the drivers at once. You can concentrate
Drivers?
really hard and try to make the truck levitate with your minds. This is San Andreas
Now that sounds
Central.
easy.
Do whatever you think will work, but get the truck and don't let anyone follow it.
I have bulletproof tires.
Grape seed so she can
I
be
do.
on the charges. Oh yeah, and that reminds
Okay.
me. Try not to blow them up. Do not damage that truck at all, okay? I'll be in touch with you.
We have bulletproof tires.
This scoundrel's trying to take me out
Who, him?
on my block.
On my block.
Oh yeah, the
High
cinematic
and
cam is so
mighty.
epic. I love the cinematic cam.
Oh, what the fuck?
The BMX. Oh yeah, this is so cool. Never thought riding a BMX would be
Oh
so amazing.
shit. Lag spike. Lag
I see a
spike.
Faggio coming after me.
Laggy is part of Los Santos. Not even sure I'm in Los Santos anymore. Oh, hello there.
I'm zooming. What is that?
What's up, bitch?
Oh, it bounced off my back.
Oh my
blasted.
fucking god!
Shot a man with an illegal musket.
Oh my. Where the fuck are they on the map? Should I
Ah!
should I drive up in there or wait for them? How far are they? They are so far.
I'm rolling down the mountain.
I see it. Wait, is this, no, that's him. Okay, said you got
And you
these.
scoundrel.
So we should go.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
I'm just gonna keep up with Josh's pace, to be honest.
You see that?
No way. I was rolling down a mountain, you know?
I was in the
Oh my
cinematic and I wasn't
god, we
paying
gotta wait
attention.
for our team.
Really?
Alright,
Holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna pick up the pace. Goodbye, Josh.
Goodbye,
well, I mean-
Josh.
Still have to wait for me either way.
Oh, right. Yeah, that's true. That's
Okay.
true. So I'll just stick with you.
Look at me.
The cinematic cam on a BMX is so cool.
How cool is this?
Very cool in cinematic cam.
What does this look like, Felix?
I don't know.
Look in first person.
Nah, I'm good.
Oh my, okay.
Right now, the ops is riding a bike. I'm chasing him down as we speak.
Fucking faggy.
I'm on my Fagio in pursuit. Don't worry, guys. I'll get him.
Love how you're in tactical gear riding a faggy.
It's not even a tactical Fagio. Airstrike that spot right there. The scoundrel seems to be riding a bike, and he's not very good at it.
He's trying to grind the rail, man. You for this?
Grind on this Fagio. You wanna get on the back of my fag? Yeah, there's more of a party where Josh is, so I'll just keep up with his pace.
Oh my god.
Dude, if I speed it up and come towards you, we're still gonna have to wait for Josh.
True.
So I'm just gonna keep up with his pace. You know? It's more of a party.
Oh my god. What am I doing? I'm dancing.
Doing. If the ops come rolling, I'm
Are you
shoot 'em.
drawing, Felix?
Yeah,
Which one? Or is it a surprise?
you'll see.
Ooh, surprise.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Let's go!
You're fucking cracked, dude.
Oh!
What's reverse?
Oh my god, I'm having so much
Oh!
fun waiting for these people.
So are we! Oh my god!
Yeah, you fucking cracked. I slapped and let him ramp off me. Move.
I think we should all buy a BMX.
I have one in my garage.
We should fucking pull up in the goddamn mission in a BMX.
Off-roading.
Hey, stop trying to get the ops out, bro. Fuck, run. If he dies, it's your fault.
I know.
Yo, up, jump this. Oh, you
What?
failed.
But you wanted me to follow you or something.
Oh my god!
I was aiming for a case of that time.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna pull out my blusket.
Man jumped over my car.
I see someone's door flying.
How did that get all the way over here?
I don't know. It's standing up!
What the fuck?
Is it standing up for anyone else?
No. Are we supposed to shoot that thing out the sky?
Oh, we're
Where?
supposed to wait for the trucks.
Trucks?
Come on, come on, come on. Get your blusket out, bro.
What is a
I don't-
Let me see this shit.
I don't have any
Oh,
ammo
yeah,
for my
I-
blusket.
I have
I didn't make
that.
an action menu!
I have that. I just gotta get it from my fucking gun, my gun safe. I have to get it from my gun safe. I took it.
Oh, yeah.
It was a bad idea!
I own so many of the guns. I'm pretty
Felix,
sure I have the
Felix,
musket.
we're in the mission, Felix.
I know.
Okay.
Oh,
Go.
okay.
We made it.
I'm gonna shoot you with my fucking blusket. Come here.
Oh, you want to see my musket?
I'm gonna use this the whole time.
Wait a minute, watch this.
Oh shit. The op. Wait. Oh, you shot yourself.
Oh yeah, I have that. I'm pretty sure I have it.
Oh! Did you
It's
see
just
that
in my gun
180?
safe.
About like 5 minutes.
Almost on you. Get ready to take out the Merryweather detail and get the truck.
So that. Alright, boys, I got him.
Oh shit, that was in an armored vehicle! Get in the car! What happened?
Did we all die?
Yes, apparently so.
What is this shit on hard mode? What the fuck? They came in with auto aim.
I went
started
in
bla-
there.
Where did
I
they
went
kill
in there
us
and I
with?
got exploded. That's all I know. All I know that it was explosive.
What did they kill us with?
Fuck, what happened?
Whatever it was explosive.
What the fuck? What happened?
I killed one man and got exploded.
I shot the rocket. That was the explosive part.
Okay, Kason holding his
What
tiny ass
the
little
fuck?
musket.
That goddamn banshee, whatever that helicopter is, fucked us.
That was what it was.
I don't have a rocket launcher or anything. Actually, hang on.
I do.
Do I have
Got
my?
it.
Yes, I do.
I need going to ammo.
My BMX.
Where's my car? Did my car get blown up? I think my car got blown up.
Blusket.
Let me check real quick as we wait.
My BMX is gone.
Get fucked. They took it in for a joyride.
Hello, this is Morse
Yeah, my
Mutual
fucking
Insurance.
car got blown
Sure.
up.
Look at my BMX. I upgraded it.
Hey, man.
No way, bro.
Oh, he's robbing me of my BMX.
Wait, come here, come here, come on. I want to see it, I want to see it, I want to see it.
Okay.
Let me hold it. Let me come stop. I want to look at the detail. You know? I want to look at the detail
Okay.
on it.
Give me back my BMX.
Felix, can I have a turn on it?
I want to turn.
No, I want to turn.
Shut up, kids. I'm
I
trying
asked
to work.
first.
Felix, he's hogging it.
Like bowling pins.
He won't
He's
let
running me over.
us. He won't let us ride it.
The copper's coming.
Get the fuck off it! God damn it! Let me hold it. I want to drive it. Let me hold it. Let me hold it, bitch. They're almost here. Let me have a turn.
Okay.
Zach, for the love of God, I will shoot you with my blusket when we get out of this.
Okay.
Felix, he's not letting us ride it.
Hang on.
Oh, what is that? Oh,
It's coming rolling. Oh shit, they're coming! Run! I'm out, bitch. Bye. Y'all got this.
We
Don't
can't
get me.
destroy that truck, you dumbass. We needed that.
Damn it.
What fucking destroyed the truck?
You dumbass.
hey man.
You know my dad called me, and I told him 5 minutes.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna shoot a man with my blusket.
You ever shoot a man before? No. Good. Hey guys, I have a plan. I have a plan. I have a plan and you guys are gonna love it.
Hey, your car's back.
Hey, look, my car's back. I have a plan. Watch this plan.
I got to go first.
I'm gonna rig this shit with C4s.
Oh, we're not supposed to blow it up, dumbass.
I'm drowning! I'm drowning!
That was fucking glorious.
I need to rescue someone to Zach, come pick me up.
I'll rescue you.
That's a one-seater, dumbass.
Up and away.
I got
I'm here to rescue you.
Fuck.
got the hops.
You guys know we gotta go to the checkpoint, right?
Yeah, we're already here. We're waiting for you.
Oh shit! No, Felix, your bike broke.
Oh, you're paid.
I think your bike just broke.
Your car just broke.
Oh my god, I just got that back. Merriweather, come on, answer the damn phone. Whatever.
Hello, Ops. I'm back. Oh no, it's here. Alright, I'm ready. Come here, you fucker.
A faggot.
What'd you call me?
A beautiful person.
Merriweather, answer
Shot
the damn
him.
phone. You know what, never mind.
Oh, I hit someone in there.
Oh,
I hit
it's
someone
going
in
down,
there.
it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, and it's dead.
I did.
Did you hit the driver?
I think so.
You know what? The red coats have developed more for
So I
sophisticated.
did not expect that. I was just randomly shooting.
You know what? Fuck it. Since I'm not not using my musket, I'm gonna go first person. Go to the location. We're here.
It says wait for the convoy.
No, it says go to the location for me.
Location, man.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh. No, why'd you blow it up?
Whoops.
All that special night mode for nothing. Okay.
You fuck off, that. God damn
I
it.
thought those cars were driving way too fast. Why did that not work?
What is the fucking
I was trying
truck
to
is always at the first.
I was
No!
trying to destroy the first ones.
Stop trying.
Okay.
Just shoot. Not explosives. Shoot bullets. God damn it.
I'm so sorry.
Who? This is like bringing Fuse to hostage. Oh, now none of our vehicles are here.
Alright, look what you did.
Because I destroyed Felix's. Felix destroyed mine.
Oh,
no, wait,
never
someone
mind.
destroyed mine.
I got the op hunting mobile. When the ops come around, they are sure to be
Oh
destroyed.
my god, Merriweather, please. Or
'Cause when
where's
I
Mutual?
run them over, I shoot them with my musket. They dare never
Guys,
come
we
back.
got company. What the fuck? Who is you?
They dare never come back.
It's mine. Wait, what?
You cannot take the opmobile. Too bad we're on a team and we're in a mission, so you can't hurt me.
Does it have bulletproof tires?
Of course it does. I'm not gonna have an opmobile without bulletproof tires. You're just wasting your ammo at that point.
It's okay, it's a mission, it doesn't count.
Take out that fucking convoy. Not take it out, but like,
Well, I shoot it with a bloodscape.
it's not a blusket. How dare you say that?
We're going.
Did I just
Oh
kill
man,
that?
I almost got him.
Did I just destroy that with a fucking sniper rifle?
I couldn't even do a jump and roll because it was so slow.
They're here! Alright, whatever you do, do not shoot. Do not explode them. You see. Stop, blow up the tan one. Whatever you do.
It's a bad idea to come here with like no vehicles because we don't have any cover.
Hi,
What?
stop destroying it!
I didn't destroy it.
How did it
Did.
No, I didn't.
with your
Exactly.
fucking laser rifle, dude?
That wasn't me. I swear I didn't destroy that. I wasn't
It
even touching it.
was! You were shooting it!
No.